What are you doing at the moment?
At the moment, I'm working as a front of house at Cambridge Theatre.
Cambridge Theatre.
Yeah.
Chicago.
Yeah, kind of.
I love it. Have you been in the car? Have you been on?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Good. What are you going to sing for us tonight,
I'm
Simon?
singing Gethsemane, I only want to say, from Jesus Christ Superstar.
Okay. Right, for your 3 minutes, you ready, Ollie? 3 minutes in the spotlight, Simon. Off you go.
Thank you. I only want to say, if there is a way, take this cup away from me. I don't want to taste its poison. It's burning. I have changed, I'm not sure. As when we started, then I was inspired. Now I'm sad and tired. Listen, surely I've exceeded expectations, tried for 3 years. Seems like 30. Would you ask as much from any other man? But if I die, Jesus, I get through and do the things you ask of me. Let them take me, keep me hurt, nearly to the grave. I want to know, my God. I want to know, my God. I want to see, my God. I want to see, my God. Why would I be more noticed than I ever was before? Would the things that haven't matter anymore? I have to know my Lord. I have to know my Lord. I have to see my Lord. I have to see my Lord. If I die, what will be my reward? If I die, what will be my reward? Have to know my Lord. Have to know my Lord. Why should I die? Why should I die? Can you show me now that I was not in vain? Show me that the reason for you wanted me to die. Show me just a little of your omnipresent grace. Your thoughts to me now when I